Once upon a time, a little ant and a big elephant were friends. The elephant often teased the ant, thinking it was too small to be of any help. One hot day, the elephant got thirsty and went to drink water from a river. But he slipped and got stuck in the mud. He struggled, but no one could help him. Then, the tiny ant quickly called her friends, and together they tickled the elephant's nose, making him sneeze so hard that he freed himself. The elephant realized size doesn't matter when it comes to friendship and helping others. From that day, he never underestimated anyone again.